Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh. In today's episode, we're going to talk about this lick, showreel. Welcome back. Let's go right into business. That's the first arpeggio that we're playing on this sequence. It starts on fret number 14 on the 5th string with an upstroke. This is very personal. You can start this arpeggio with a downstroke as well, but I rather do it like that because when I play repetition on this arpeggio in particular, when you're coming back, you're doing all the way up, like this. So that's why I do it like that. So I start with an upstroke on fret number 14th on the 5th string. All right? Then we play 16 on the 4th string as well. So we have this. And I do an upstroke again. Or you can do a legato as well. All right? So what we have so far is 14 on the 5th string, 12 on the 4th string, and then 16 on the 4th string as well. All right? Then the next string is the 3rd one. We're playing 16, the same. And my right hand is doing up, down again on the 3rd string. Then we play 15 on the 2nd string. And then 14 on the 1st string with my index finger. All right, again. Up, down, down, down. And then I play B, and it's on the 1st string, it's 19th. All right, once again. And then I do, and that is going to be 19th on the 1st string, and then 14, 19, 14. And then upstroke on the 2nd string on the 15th fret, and then 16 on the 3rd string. So we have this so far. All right, then the next arpeggio is going to be, it's on B minor as well. Like an octave, it's on the octave, the lower octave. If you hear it. You see? So we have. And this one is B again. B minor as well. 14 and 10 on the 1st string. Downstroke. Upstroke on the 2nd string, 12th fret. Then 11 on the 3rd string. So. Then diminished arpeggio is going to be 15, 12, 15, 12, then 14 on the 2nd string, and then 15 on the 3rd string. All right, so what we have so far is this. And then a diminished arpeggio again. That will be 12, 9, and that will be 11, 12. 11 on the second string and 12 on the third string. So if you see, we're repeating patterns, but in different parts of the fretboard. This one, and then it's the same pattern. In other words, you can learn that pattern and do the whole thing on the whole fretboard. And the last arpeggio is B minor as well. It's going to be 14 on the first string, and then 10 downstroke, and then we have pull off. So 14, 10 upstroke, and then 12 on the second string, upstroke again on the third string, and it's going to be 11. And then we're going to have 12 on the fourth string, then 14 on the fifth string, and then we're going to have 9 on the fifth string. No, on the fifth string. So far is this. And then we have 10, and then we have 7. All right? So I'm going to play the whole sequence very slow for you guys. Pay attention because this is very important. All right? The good thing about this is that you can play that, for example, if you have a B minor chord progression, we have like... So that's the idea. You can use it with that. So once again. All right, so you can practice them individually. With as many repetitions as you want. Separately, it will be like you do this one. And that pattern, you can use it on A minor as well. All right, or C minor. Or G minor. You see? Plenty of variations. The diminished arpeggio. You can do a 2 string. Three strings or 4 strings. The variations are infinite. So I would like, you know, advise you to practice this as many variations as you can, right? So you can add at the end a B minor scale. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did. And don't forget to subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and leave your comments down below. If you want to dig deeper, please don't hesitate and email me. You will find all my information on the description of this video. I'm on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So see you in another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me, Show Reel.